Hi guys, welcome to my channel Vid Pinoy. I just got home from Roshi 99 Ranch and I'm boiled pork legs, and I will show you guys what it look like. Inside this pot I put like fresh rosemary, ginger, onion, uh, black pepper and salt. Okay, and we just bought the instant air fryer. It's called Instant Vortex. Is I recommend people to have it. Save you guys a lot of time for cooking, and I will show you. Okay, you guys. I never heard anything bad comment about this air fryer. Like I say, this save you guys a lot of time for if you guys like to bake, or fry. So this is save you guys a lot of time, and it's healthy because this air fryer remove all the greasy oil out, all the fat out. So I will show you guys later on once I'm done. Okay. And thank you again. Visit my channel, and my channel is Vid Pinoy. Okay. Thank you again. Babush.